the COPART rebuild.
Hello all, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this.
The beautiful panoramic roof retrofit. First you open the roof to this position. Then in the front you remove the trim by removing these screws. And then you just peel this down from the seal on the side, both sides. And then you have a clip here, you just take a wedge, and the same in the rear, they all only sit with clips. Here you can see the clips in the rear. Just snap these out and everything is loose. And this is what it looks like without the trim. And now first you loosen the screws here in the front to remove this roof locking device. And of course you should use a blanket to cover the seats when you take this down. And now lower the roof back to closed position. And now you remove these screws to loosen the roof. And when that is done, you just take off the old roof. And then I nicely asked my wife to help out to put the new panoramic roof in place, because you really don't want to drop this one. And that's what it looks like when it's in place. And now you just add the screws in the rear back again, so you can raise the roof again, so you can add the locking device back again. And all is back in place again. Now it's time to install the sunblind. These are attached just with 4 screws, so it's also a very easy install. And here it is in its place. 1 screw here and 1 here on both sides, and you're done. And finally we install the new trim. The same way we took out the other one. Clips in the back and screws in the front. And here we are, all done and finished. I think this retrofit is a must. It's not that expensive and it's super easy to do. And here we have a short before and after clip. Enjoy! And once again the list of the upcoming videos. And that's it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, hit that subscribe so you don't miss out, and that little bell so you get a notion when the new video comes up. Until next time, see ya.
Come get some.